Hello everyone, I am playing this game called Pooping Simulator. It's dumb. All you gotta click is poop. And you poop and poop. And yeah, it's very weird. You gotta do click poop a ton. And yeah, poop, 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 poop. And then literally the leaderboard is literally made out of poop. And yeah, he did 1,600,000 I can't read that. That's and nuggets of dung drop. That's just weird. All you have to do in this game is literally just click poop as hard as you can, just so you can poop. And I played this game with a few people, and yeah, that guy's dumb. And I did a giant poop. And then everyone in the chat was saying, King did a giant poop! King did a giant poop! All hail King! All hail King! It was so hilarious. I wonder... I'm just going to click hard. Sometimes you can try and fly whenever you just poop too much. Click too hard, you can start to fly with your poops. And this mouse just makes it so it goes crap. Because this is just dumb. Look at me. Just poos everywhere. This is a little bit... I shouldn't really be doing a video of this, so might move on to a different game, because this is too inappropriate. Just poops. Poops. Like, I'll do one more poop, and if it's lucky, then please like and subscribe. 3, 2, 1. Oh, well, it came right out of my ass. Can it be special? Well, can you at least give me what? Oh, this is the guy I was playing with. Wow, nice seeing you here again. I met him last time I played this, and we're not even friends in this game. This is so weird. Oh, there's a guy just pooping beside me. Hey, this is the guy here. Hi. I think he remembers me. Just pooping away on him. Hey, 000 fling god, no chance. I'm gonna say I'm doing a video. I'm doing a video. I'm doing a video. I'm pooping! Meow. He just, I think he might be doing a video because he's doing, he's probably doing an intro or he's setting it up. And yeah. You remember me, the pooping guy. Come on, just wake up, you noob. I'm doing a video here. Can you please just say hello to my fans at least? Please? Please say hello, and I'll just say you're on YouTube and you might wake up. You're on YouTube. You're on YouTube. You're on YouTube. YouTube. Doing a vid. I'm doing a vid. You're in it. You're in it. You're famous. You're famous. Guess what? I got back, but I'm on my PC. Okay. I have to play a different game. I have to play a different game. My fans don't like poop. No, don't like poop. Bye. Okay, so I will play Pet Simulator X. I like this. This is a game that I've played, and I'm at the second last world. So, could you please help like and subscribe, and then every like and subscribe is just more pixel coins for me. Thank you very much if you do. So, I'm in the spawn world, and just collect these. And I'm not a VIP, so no. Damn. I don't even have a bank. I have hoverboards though. I have the rainbow and the bee. Just redeem a plushie code, and then you can get the bee hoverboard and you can get the rainbow hoverboard. Well, I redeemed 2, so you might get, if you redeem 2, you might get 2. If you redeem 1, I think you might get 1. And I will show you how, in the void, how to get that cat that floats. But I haven't got it yet, but I know how to get out of the shield. So what you want to do is jump, fly down. You gotta go over here to the bank. Then, if some of you know this, then good job. But if you go here, you can fall. You gotta use your hoverboard to glide down. Oh, just missed it. Well, now I gotta leave and rejoin. That's the only problem you gotta do. So, ugh. And I will have to end the video in 3 minutes or 5. Yeah, I'll end the video in 5 minutes. Cause, and, okay, well, yeah, I have to do this again. This sucks. And well done, whoever got to tier 2 on this. I'm at tier 1, cause I just don't hash that much pets. And leave a comment if you had a huge pet before, cause I didn't. Well, I don't know why, but I asked someone for huge for index, but I had it, but then somehow it just disappeared it didn't show up in the index. I'm supposed to get the which one is it? The huge festive cat. Was supposed to get that, but just didn't show up in my inventory. Anyways, back to the void thing. So you gotta go down here. Come on! You gotta glide down here. Then you gotta walk up. Then you're at this part. Then you gotta jump to here. And you gotta jump up to here. Pretty hard. And you gotta jump over here. Then you have to do a huge jump like that. And use the hoverboard to glide onto that. Then you wanna jump here. Then this is where I always fail. Oh no, please! Oh, come on. Well, I just showed you how to get out of the shield. That's all I wanted to show you. So if you don't know how to do that, then you can try it back at your place, and you can do what you want and try your best. That's the main thing. Okay. So I'll just go back to Pixel World and start grinding. Da 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 da. Here we go. I'll change hoverboards. I'm kind of sick of the rainbow one. And I'll show you my pets as well. That's my best pet. Okay, here we go. Volume. I love the way they had a little cat. See, beside your mouse, you can see like a little cat. It's kind of cute. I'm gonna see who's up for a good trade. But there's already a person called King. So King's trading King. It's kind of funny. Oh my god. Please. 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 Oh, come on. Well, I'll trade some other person. Like this. Trade. Okay, done. No, that's useless, bro. It's ML Plays. Oh, she just joined. No, just click hard. Till the seconds run out. Oh, there we go. Come on, give me your best pet. Oh. Okay. Does she not like my pets or something? Ooh. I just want to get a good trade. Please. Bro. Oh. There we go. Oh. Yeah. How does everyone not like to trade with me? Everyone just cancels. Okay, so I will get to the 83 million, so over there's an egg that I want to hatch, the golden egg. No, I won't show you yet. Whenever I get the amount, and I'm only just a few coins away. And I know how to jump off the map on this game. Well, probably everyone knows. Then everyone says there's a secret egg, but there's not. It's just an egg that can do a lot of distance. And it's one of just those stupid eggs that you get at spawn. Oh, there's already a guy here. Oh my god, he has some good pets. He has some legendaries. Who's this guy? Oh. ML Boy. Dragon boxes. What a hate. Here we go. Okay, I'll end the video here, and if you like this video, then please like and subscribe. Bye.